we're gonna make bacon-braised Brussels sprouts. So we've got about a half pound of bacon cut up in small little cubes. When we put it into the pan just by itself, let it start to render out all the delicious pork fat, because that's what we're gonna want to really kind of flavor the Brussels sprouts and really give them some great character. So those guys are starting to simmer away. They're doing their thing. We've got 2 pints of large Brussels sprouts. This is plenty for 4 people. We're gonna throw them right on top. All right. Brussels sprouts and bacon, they're really, really good buddies. And then we've got some other great things. I think fresh thyme is a really good herb note with the Brussels sprouts itself. So I'm just gonna put that right on top. And then we've got some garlic here. I'm gonna take like probably 2 cloves, because you want it kind of garlicky. We're just gonna give them a good smash with the back side of a knife. And then we're gonna just peel the paper off. And we're just gonna throw these big chunks of garlic in as is. Boom, just like that. Then we're gonna hit it with some chicken stock. Now, boxed chicken stock is great for this kind of thing. We're gonna braise them with chicken stock. We're also gonna add a little bit of olive oil and some butter to this. So it cooks down and makes a really good glaze. And then we're gonna hit this with a salt and pepper. All right, touch of salt, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper, and then a little hit of extra virgin olive oil right on top. Right, and then a little tiny knob of butter. Now the blend between the butter, the chicken stock, and the olive oil, once you start to cook that down, it's gonna make a really beautiful glaze with the Brussels sprouts. That's a trick I learned back in the restaurant I used to work at. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna put the lid on, let these guys start to simmer and do the thing, boom. All right, we're also gonna make some great little breadcrumbs to go on top of this. So when they cook down and they're like nice and tender and full of flavor, we're gonna give another little texture on top, which is gonna be something crunchy. So we got 3 cloves of garlic. I want them really super garlicky. We're just gonna buzz through them to get these little kind of garlic chips. So a little bit of extra virgin. We're gonna use panko breadcrumbs, which are those Japanese breadcrumbs. So we're gonna let them toast in the olive oil. A little bit of rosemary. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Give them a nice stir. Should we turn the temp down just a little bit and just kind of let them do their thing. We've got some Brussels sprouts, bacon-braised Brussels sprouts. We're just finishing up right now with a little splash of balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic, a little bit of white vinegar would taste really nice. And we're gonna take all this fresh thyme, and then we're gonna take this stuff and we're gonna pile it high. Look how creamy they are. All right, they're really, really beautiful. We're gonna take this, we're gonna pile it up into a serving dish. All right, something deep because you want to keep it warm. And then we've got these great breadcrumbs that we toss, a little bit of garlic, some fresh herbs, lots of Parmesan cheese. All right, what we're gonna do is just kind of pile this right on top so you get the crunchy with the soft, creamy. It's a beautiful flavor combination.